Hi, and welcome back to AW Technologies. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing tool called ColoringBook.ai. As the name suggests, it's an AI-powered coloring page generator, and it's both fun and practical. You can use it to create personalized coloring pages for your kids, or even full coloring books you can publish on platforms like Amazon KDP or Etsy. Now, here's the cool part. You can create coloring pages in two ways. First, by uploading your own photos, like a family picture, a pet photo, or even a special memory, and instantly turn it into a black and white outline ready to color. Second, you can just type in a description, and the AI will generate line art illustrations from text prompts. It's that simple. What makes ColoringBook.ai stand out is how easy and affordable it is. Each coloring page costs less than 10 cents, which means you can create dozens or even hundreds without breaking the bank. Plus, you can download them in high quality for printing or digital use. The dashboard is super simple. Just upload an image, pick your options, choose how many pages you want, and hit generate. That's fantastic. You can also just type in a description, and the AI will instantly turn it into a black and white line drawing. And here's a brand new feature that I think is a game changer. You can now generate a 5, 10, or even 20-page coloring book with a consistent character and a flowing story, all in just one click. Upload a photo or type a short character prompt, add your story outline, pick the number of pages and dimensions, then click Generate. Imagine making a full children's coloring book in minutes, complete with a storyline that keeps kids engaged from start to finish. And just like that, boom, you've got a complete coloring book. Every page flows with the same character and story, ready to print, gift, or even sell. It feels like magic. If you want to try it out, I'll leave a link in the description. You can start free and upgrade later if you need more features. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways I've seen to create coloring books. Fun, for personal use, and a smart idea if you want to publish and sell. So that's ColoringBook.ai. An AI tool that helps you create coloring pages and books in seconds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.